Hi, my name is Jack here at Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this brand new Audi A1 Sport Sportback 25 TFSI with the manual transmission. Now, this particular example was finished in the fantastic shell white paintwork, which really give it that standout road appearance. Now, as you look towards some of the key features, and with this being the sports model, it does come with the added sports features such as the styling of the rear bumper and front bumper, as well as the side skirts. As well, you do get the LED headlights as well as the LED rear lights as well with the dynamic indicators. Moving to the front of the vehicle, again we notice these LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these optional 16-inch 10-spoke turbine design alloys, which are there for maximum comfort and also added efficiency. Now, taking a look into the rear boot space of the A1 Sportback, where we find up to 335 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and the boot floor is also adjustable. You do also get a manual parcel shelf. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a comfortable interior with a host of cloth in the two-tone colourway, which is really add to the character. As well, you get the Isofix points, which are neatly located across the back row, and there's plenty of leg space for two adults on either side. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin from Audi with a host of nice materials such as leather, cloth and Dynamica. With this being the sports model, you get these sporty seats with the added sports stripes down the side, which you again really add to that overall design. Above we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the two digital rev counters, as well as having access to useful information such as telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle data. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does also feature useful tips such as the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Below this we find the climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the brand new Audi A1 Sportback Sport here at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.